The odd rib stitch is worked the same way as the even rib stitch. It alternates a knit and a purl stitch, with the difference that by casting on an odd number of stitches, you end up working the same way you started. This means if you started the row with a knit stitch, you will end with a knit stitch. Don't forget to work the stitches as they appear. This means knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches. By casting on an odd number of stitches, all even side rows will start with a purl stitch. If you don't work the stitches as they appear, you'll end up working the seed stitch. Start by knitting one stitch, pass the strand in front of your work and purl one stitch. Pass the strand behind the work and knit one stitch, and so on until the end of the row. Turn the work around, and since it's an even side row, start with a purl stitch. Pass the strand behind the work, knit one stitch. Pass the strand in front of your work and purl a stitch. Keep working as stitches appear.